We parked outside and it's running, like I'm waiting on your invite. Outside the coupe, it matches the inside. In my cup, it's a pint of lean inside. And I'm probably pulling up with white paint.
Bitch, I been that nigga and they know. I just fucked 2 bitches in a row. And I could get you high for the low.
I put my bitch in high fashion.
I just got me a new pack and I can't wait to dish it out. The type of shit I do for dough, these goofies wanna do for clout.
Now, if you don't have an alarm or you can't afford an alarm, I advise you to pull out relay, fuel pump, some type of fuse to not allow your car to start. But remember, you will have to do this every time you get out the car, because if not, you're taking a chance on your car being stolen in under 5 minutes. Just as easy as they use a saw to cut off your Cadillac converter, they will use a saw to cut through your steering wheel to remove a club. As you can see, is in pieces. Secure your ride. What up, YouTube? This your boy Dino. Let you know there's 3 things you need for your Mopar. 1, you need an alarm. 2, you need a PIN code. 3, you got to have a neutral release cover. Yeah, a neutral release cover. If y'all don't know about that, it's when they pull this up and they look down and look for that red strap. But as you can see, there's no red strap for mine. I got mine all bolted up, secure, with a metal bracket over it. It's all disassembled, took apart. Metal bracket. It's all put there to stop them thieves for busting your window, jumping in, and getting you. Hey, get you a news release cover. Check out my videos for more information on all this. Peace.
I don't know if you know me. I'm gonna stay quiet for you recording. I don't know who the fuck that is though. Look how he grabbed something.
He's trying to hide his face.
Yeah, I just saw his face. Little. Oh no, he broke it.
Yeah, he's trying to get in. He probably. See, he got that cop blocking it.
Yeah.
They take it.
That's
how
crazy.
the fuck do you not notice that? He looks familiar. Fuck, bro.
Oh, see, he just bust the whole window. He cut his hand, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he pulled the whole window out.
You don't
Oh,
see
so
the
they
blood
must know how to pop the window.
Yeah, you can see the blood on his car, on his hand.
Mm-hmm.
And look at these motherfuckers think they're slick,
He
putting their
doing-
flashers on now.
See what he doing? Oh, he fired the car up and turned the wheel straight.
He works for a car. He definitely does towing. He tows cars.
Yeah, he put it in neutral.
Oh, fuck. This motherfucker.
They pushed it. They pushed it away.
Oh, hell, motherfucking no.
And look, he seen it.
Who is that?
They seen it.
Is that
The guy that's
Hey everybody, it's Steve at S&A Security Specialist here at River Grove, Illinois. We've been noticing a lot of our customers coming in with these little plate covers over the neutral safety strap. which is located next to the gear shifter. Great idea. What these do is they slow thieves down. So thieves just bust your window, climb in, pull the plastic cover off, pull the red strap cable, and push your vehicle away using another vehicle. These slow them down. We acquired a couple of these, we brought them in, and we thought, wow, great idea, great concept, but how can we make these better? So these little things right here are very thin. We can press down, we can bend them, could probably easily drill through it and still get to that strap. With the ones that we revised, they're a lot thicker. As you see, I'm pushing down on them, and if you look at the steel on that, compared to something that thin, this is definitely a better option. So what these will do is they will complement your Compustar drone package and basically slow the thieves down so they can't just bust the window, hop in so fast and pull the strap and push it away real quick. This will slow them down, giving that alarm system plenty of time to alert your remote control and your drone and page you on your cell phone. So definitely a great add-on if you already have the Igla system and the Compustar system. Or if you just want to get a Compustar system without the Igla, make sure you ask for the strap cover. We do have about 100 of each in stock for Chargers and Challengers from 2015 all the way up to 2022. They are available for our customers who have new installs, or they're available for all of our previous customers. All you have to do is give us a phone call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. Hi everyone, my name is Steve. I am the owner and installer at S&A Security Specialist in River Grove, Illinois. We specialize in car security, remote starters, and car keys. We're going to show you the different systems we use to protect vehicles from car theft. The first system is the Compustar Alarm Remote Start with Drone. From the remote, you can lock your doors, unlock your doors, open the trunk or hatch, and remote start the vehicle. You can also get alarm alerts directly to the remote control and to the Drone Mobile smartphone app. Now that the system's disarmed, you can also get all your alerts directly from your drone app, from the feed. You can also lock your doors, unlock your doors, start and stop your vehicle, and open the trunk or hatch. Plus you have the GPS tracking. You can pinch and zoom on its location. And if you look down below in the box, you can see the address of where the vehicle's at. Plus all of your alarm alerts under the activity feed. You can also get trip reports and locations. So now that you know what the Compustar and drone system does, we will head over to the install bay and show you the Igla PIN code system. So now that we're in the vehicle with the vehicle's key, we're going to show you what the Igla PIN code system does. Essentially what the PIN code system is, it is a device that is going to require you to press a certain combination of buttons on the steering wheel in a certain order. If you do not press those buttons in a certain order, you will not be able to start this vehicle. When the vehicle's PIN code system is on, you will not be able to add keys, delete keys, and steal the vehicle. We're now going to show you how the vehicle is protected should you not enter the code. If you try and step on the brake and touch the button, it will not start. As you can see, the key is right there by the shifter. It needs to see the PIN code in order to start. Our temporary code is that OK button 4 times. We're going to press it, and we will get 2 confirmation flashes if successfully entered. Now we can step on the brake and start it. Once the vehicle is turned off, it only takes about 5 seconds and the device will self-arm. Should you forget to arm it from your Compustar remote or your Drone Mobile app, you will still have protection. While you have this protection on, you will not be able to access the vehicle's computer and program a key. And we're going to show you that right here. So now that we're in the menu, we're going to click on Auto Identify. And our tablet will try to communicate with the vehicle's BCM. As you can see, the vehicle just woke up and it failed to identify the vehicle. We're going to go and try buy the vehicle. Jeep, Grand Cherokee, 14 through 20, hit OK. We're going to try and read the vehicle's PIN code, and you will see that it will attempt to communicate and it will fail. That is the key to our solution, because thieves are easily hopping in your vehicle by busting a window, plugging in the key programmer, and in about 2 minutes later, they're gone with your vehicle by simply programming a brand new key. And they do not even need your key present to do it. Once you turn off the Igla system and put it into service mode, will be the only time that you can program a key to this car. So we're going to show you that real quick. I'm going to turn on the ignition and I'm going to enter our temporary code. Wait for 2 flashes. And we're going to put it in service mode. We're going to wait for 5 flashes. And turn off the vehicle. It is now in service mode. We are now going to go back into our menu and attempt to connect to the vehicle again. There it is. So now that we've gained access to the computer, we can go in and do what we need to do. We can add the key, check the number of keys, and do whatever it is we need to do. Not only do our security products work great on Mopar vehicles, they also work great on other vehicles, such as this Lexus. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to wait for the chimes to stop. We're going to enter in our PIN code. Wait for 2 beeps and 2 flashes. There it is. We're now going to step on the brake, start the vehicle. Give S&A Security Specialist a call today. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. We are located at 9017 Grand Avenue in River Grove, Illinois. You can find us on Facebook, S&A Security Specialist. You can also find us on Instagram, the PIN code Kingpin. Give us a call today and get the best solution for your vehicle. Hey everybody, this is Steve at S&A AutoSound. We're going to show you the PIN code system on this 2021 Hyundai Sonata push button start. Basically, the device will block the key signal from starting the vehicle, plain and simple. So there's our key. We're going to step on the brake and try and start it. You notice the vehicle did not start, okay? It needs to see a PIN code. We set up a PIN code, which we will change at the end of this video. But for demonstration purposes, we will reveal the PIN code. Our PIN code is the pedal shift to the left, right, cruise, cruise. You'll notice the check engine light flash twice. 1, 2. That is your indication the code was correctly entered. You can now step on the brake, start the vehicle. There's a huge problem in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If you're from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and you would like this device in your vehicle, we are the authorized distributor in Illinois, Wisconsin, and Michigan. If you have a shop, you're interested in selling this product, give us a call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. But yeah, once you turn off this vehicle and get out and shut the door, the device will self-arm itself. You do not have to do anything. So the next time you get in, if you try to step on the brake, start it, will not start. Needs to see the PIN code. So once again, we'll show you that code. Left, right, cruise, cruise. Check engine light will flash twice. 1, 2. We can now step on the brake, start the vehicle. This device can also be turned off, so if you're taking it to the dealership for service, you wouldn't want to drop off the vehicle, and then the dealership couldn't start it to get in their service bay. You would turn it into service mode, and it would temporarily disable the device until you got back in and turned the device back on. Or the vehicle's driven for 15 minutes, the device will turn itself back on. Once again, we appreciate you watching. Have a good day.
What are you, fucking nuts?